Hey guys, Justin here coming at you from the 5x5 test tent with another unboxing video. This one is from Grandmaster LEDs. It is their master controller, and this thing's gonna be pretty cool actually. So let's take a look inside what we've got in the box. Flip it open. Nice thick box. First off, we've got a splitter here. Go RJ14 to RJ45. Looks like you got 4-channel input there. And we will be using that with the light that is hanging above this right now in the testing phase. Let's take a look at the actual controller. So it's going to have your RJ45. Looks like it's got an RJ14. Got sensor. Is that a button? Yeah, button there. Oh wait, is that a... what is that? Oh, that's a plug. It pushed in, so I thought it was a button, but that's a plug. I imagine for like a headphone style plug there. And then you got the 12 volt input. Screen, back, you got a place to hang on the wall if you want. Good to go there. We've got the power plug. Kind of reminds me of like iPhone, like the little power block. Let's see what we got underneath here. Nice packaging too. I really like this packing job. All right, so we got some drywall hanging screws there. We've got, looks like a RJ14 cable there. And then of course we've got the RJ45, which is more like an Ethernet cable for you computer guys out there. And we got another mounting screw set up here. Then we've got the controller. That's what it actually is going to look like when it's powered up. You got your table of contents. Get my hand around the other side here. So I'll just kind of go through this just in case somebody like loses their manual and they need this for reference. If you don't care about this, you can skip through it. I'm just kind of showing everything here. This kind of shows how to set it up, hook it up to multiple lights, operating, processing. Has a lot of options it looks like. We'll be going through a lot of that to take a look at it. Next page. There's a lot of pages to this thing. A lot of info. Like I said, if you need any of this info, just pause, take a look at it. Make sure your settings are at the highest resolution so you can see the smaller print. But it looks like it's got sunrise, sunset. All the good stuff, man. Overtemp warnings. And the last page. And this is going to also have 60 different preset spectrums. I guess there's troubleshooting there. That might be helpful for some people. 60 different spectrums, as it says on the box there. 4 channels, 60 preset spectrums, and that is going to be for like their spectrum tuning lights. So it's not going to be for every light, but GML has a lot of spectrum tuning lights. Installation instructions. Put the sticker on the wall. Oh, that's cool. They give you a sticker to help you mount the controller on the wall. That's neat. Awesome. So that's pretty much it for the what comes in the box portion. Let's get this thing hooked up and let's play with it a little bit. All right, we've got it all hooked up and ready to go. It is all lit up. The light is running, looking great. Here's the input box here that I showed you before, where it's got both inputs from both the drivers for this light. This light does have 2 drivers, so I'm using both inputs there out to the network cable to the actual controller itself there. Really easy to hook up. It's just got the power cord here and then the network cable running in. Pretty basic as far as setup goes. Super easy. Let's take a closer look at the actual functionality of the controller here. Alright, so let's just take a closer look at some of the functionality of the controller itself. Right now I've got it in the preset mode. I have one preset set up to run at 30% power. That shows you right there. It's in preset mode, and then you've also got customize mode. Customize mode is basically just using it like a knob. So you can raise the power, you can raise each channel however you want, customizable. The preset, you can go in here and you can actually have 12 different presets to use with all the GML lights. You can use the Spectrum presets here on the Borg and the Borg Evolution. They will be able to run the 60 different spectrums here. There's a list of 60 different spectrums to choose from. And so that's pretty cool. And it'll show you right there what the spectrum is. You can turn the intensity up and down. It's really killer. If you've got the Borg or the Borg Evolution, this controller is pretty much a must-have. It's really nice for all the other lights too, though, because you've got the different presets that you can do. And on that, like I said, you got 12 different ones. You can just go and mod, and then you can set it up right there. Super easy to do. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. It does have temperature and humidity, which is really cool. And then you've got your timer set up here. You can have all your different timer presets. You can set it up for either a preset, or you can set it up for a specific spectrum, or you can just set it up for customize mode. And you can do that with all the timers and everything. And then you've also got sunrise and sunset, so that you can ease it up and ease it down just like sunrise and sunset, which is a really cool function as well. And then you've got the system setup, which right now we're only using 2 channels. It can do up to 4. You've got your temperature warning, where it can alert you over temp. It's pretty awesome setup, man. This thing's really cool. It's going to help you out a lot if you have any GML light at all. Like they all work with this. It's great. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, you've got your timer, you've got your sunrise, sunset. You can set it all up there. You've got the full spectrum, 60 different spectrums if you have the Borg or the Borg Evolution. And then for all their other lights, you can do the presets, or you can just do straight customize. So it's really simple. Turn the light off and on right there, and that's it. it's really easy to use, guys. But that's gonna be pretty much it. There's nothing else to it. It's a quick video this time. If you guys want one of these, click the link below and pick one up. Use my code J2G to save some money. And hopefully you like this review of the controller. I love this controller. It's awesome. So definitely pick one up. And till next time, guys, happy growing.